So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if OneDrive is not backing up on your laptop. That means it's not working in the background and it is not starting to be, gets the backup automatically done for you. Now, in order to fix that, just simply click on Start menu, then go to Task Manager, and first of all make sure that the startup apps is enabled for OneDrive. That in my case it is disabled, so I just quickly enable it from here. Now secondly, click on the OneDrive option right on the taskbar, click on settings, and click on settings and make sure that the backup is on. You can see the current backup is off, so just simply turn on all the backup and turn this option of off that shows pause syncing, so it will definitely gonna solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.